This is the Clemens Waterfall. We installed this about 8 years ago, and it's doing wonderfully. This is in an inner city neighborhood, and this has brought a lot of joy and satisfaction to their lives. We redid all the flagstone a few years ago for Ginger. They have grandkids that come over, and that's where they sit and solve all the world's problems. Hello, Ginger.
Hello, Corey.
How do you like your water feature?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Okay, thank you.
I haven't done a thing to it all summer.
Oh, great. I'll give you your 20 bucks later.
Okay.
Over and out.
Thanks, Corey.
And this here is Rex. Hi, Rex.